Hello there again. Today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY flower out of facial tissue. Let's get started. So these are what we need today. Paintbrush of course, scissors, craft wire, and tissue. I'm using a facial tissue. I'll be using 4 of this, but this tissue is 2-ply. Tie it with a wire in the center. You will have to paint it. I'm using red. And that's it. This is a flower that we made from 4 facial tissues and a little bit of paint. And I have here 2 that I've made before. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make this pretty flower from tissues. I'd love it if you hit like and subscribe to my channel.